Transform your Jeep Gladiator JT into the ultimate rugged machine with Panther Pro Body accessories from Air Design USA. With Panther Pro fender flares that not only improve suspension travel for a smoother ride, but also enhance your vision range, giving you a better view of the road ahead. Installing Panther Pro inner fender liners is a breeze with our no-drill installation process. Panther Pro door moldings help protect your Jeep against dents and scratches, ensuring it looks great no matter where your adventures take you. Add a perfect fit and finish with the Panther Pro tailgate spoiler, made using co-extruded ABS polymers for a durable and sleek addition to your Jeep. The Panther Pro tailgate applique gives a much tougher look to your Jeep's rear end, making a bold statement wherever you go. Elevate your Gladiator's roof with the Panther Pro cab spoiler, giving it a sporty look that's sure to turn heads. Top it all off with the Panther Pro Hood Scoop Power Dome, adding a powerful and aggressive look to your Jeep Gladiator JT. And don't forget the Panther Pro Performance Hexagon front grille, torture tested and adapted to the front camera. Visit airdesigngusa.com to explore our full range of accessories and start customizing your Jeep Gladiator JT today.